Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to cancel your subscriptions on your iPhone. There are tons of simple ways to do it, so just choose the one that's easiest for you. Let's get started. Method 1. Through the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on your avatar in the top right corner. Then go into Subscriptions tab and choose an active subscription you want to cancel. And as you can see, you have an option to cancel subscription. The second method is through the settings. Go to Settings on your iPhone and go into Apple ID. Find here Subscriptions tab, and as you can see, you also have active and inactive subscriptions. Tap on an active subscription you want to cancel and tap on Cancel Subscription. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.